Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is lesson 2, the animal world, and this is second lecture of lesson 2. Now the second topic of lesson 2 is reproduction. What is reproduction? It is the process by which living things produce new living things. ऐसा process जिसमें living things produce करते हैं new living things, this type of process is known as reproduction. Now, how many types of reproduction are there? There are two types of reproduction, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Now, sexual reproduction. This type of reproduction requires a male and a female of the same species. इस type की reproduction में male और female involved होते हैं of the same species. Now, what are species? Species are a group of individuals that are similar to each other. A group of individuals that are similar to each other. This is known as species. Now, the male fertilizes an egg that is produced by the female. What does the female do? It produces the egg and that egg is fertilized by the male. Now, what does fertilize mean? Fertilize means to bring life to something. किसी चीज में जान डालना. This is known as fertilize. Now, asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? It's a type of reproduction that do not require male and female. ऐसी reproduction जिसमें ना male की जरूरत होती है ना female की जरूरत होती है. Some animals reproduce by themselves. कुछ animals खुद ब खुद reproduction करते हैं. For example, a sea anemone divides to form two new individuals. Sea anemone is a type of sea creature. वो खुद जो है divide होके वो खुद दो individuals में divide हो जाता है. Now it's divided into two individuals. Now those two individuals are divided into four individuals and 4 into 8 and 8 into 16. इस तरह इनकी क्या होती है? Reproduction होती है. Now life cycle of a frog. The life cycle of a frog. There are 5 stages in the life cycle of a frog. The first stage is the egg. The second stage is the tadpole. The third stage is the tadpole with legs. The fourth stage is the froglet. And the fifth stage is the adult. Now what happens that the female frog lays eggs in water. What does the female frog do? It lays eggs in water. Now in the second stage the egg hatches into tadpoles. उन eggs से क्या निकलते हैं? Tadpoles निकलते हैं. Now in the third stage, tadpole with legs. So in the third stage, the legs grows. So the tadpole grows legs. First at the back and then later at the front. Now in this stage, you can see that tadpole has a tail, it has a head and it has a longer body. Now the fourth stage is the froglet. Now you can see froglet. So the fully structure of a frog is grown but it has a tail. ठीक है? A complete frog, you can see over here complete frog. सिर्फ आप देख रहे हो कि इसकी tail है. That's what's known as froglet. Now at the end, this is adult. Now this is a fully grown frog. So it breathes through lungs and it has no tail. Now stages, 5 stages are involved. Number 1 egg, number 2 tadpole, number 3 tadpole with legs, number 4 froglet and number 5 adult. Now the whole process is known as metamorphosis. This process is known as metamorphosis. Again metamorphosis. Okay. Now the first stage is the egg. What happens in the first stage? That the female frog lays the eggs in water. What does the female frog do? It lays the eggs in water. The second stage is the tadpole. The eggs hatches into tadpoles. अब eggs से क्या निकलते हैं? Tadpoles. The third stage is the tadpoles with legs. So what happens in this stage? In this stage the tadpole grows legs, first at the back and later at the front. ठीक है। यहाँ पे टैडपोल के लेग्स जो है वो ग्रो करते हैं, पहले बैक एंड देन फ्रंट में। It has a longer body, it has a tail, it has a head, it breathes with gills because it lives in water. जब तक वो वाटर में रहेंगे, they will breathe with gills. Now this is the fourth stage, froglet. In this stage, the froglet breathes with lungs and still has some of its tail. Now here the froglet breathes with lungs but it has some of its tail as I have shown you in the diagram. Now this is the fifth stage, that is the adult. The young frog breathes with lungs and has no tail. Now here it's fully grown, so it has no tail and it can breathe with lungs. This is your homework task. Question number 1. What are the two types of reproduction in animals? Question number 2. What is meant by metamorphosis? Explain. Also draw a labeled diagram of the life cycle of a frog. Question number 3. Solve Unit 2 in your science skill book. Then submit your task within a week so that I should check it and give you assessment marks, because on the basis of these marks you will be promoted to your next class. Thanks dear students.